Hi there, hope you're all doing well. As an excuse to paint up some different skin tones to what I've been doing lately, I grabbed Jian Shi Luke for my pile of potential. He is from the Grid Runner game by Titanfall's Miniatures. Getting started, I primed him black and gave all of these skins a couple of coats of charred brown. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord, use a link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on, or just hang out and chat. Hope you enjoy the video and find it useful. Getting in the mid-tone on the skin, I mixed in some sunny skin tone and would hope the majority of the areas again facing upwards. I keep this layer fairly thin so I can do a second coat, just slightly smaller than the last one, just so I can blend them together a little bit more. Finishing off the skin, I mixed in a little bit more sunny skin tone and gave the sharper features a quick highlight, along with some of the areas towards the top of the mini in the light. Moving on to the clothing, I start off with his bottoms, giving them a couple of layers of olive green. I'm trying to get as close to the card art on this one as I can, but with a little bit more vibrancy as it fits my painting style better. Keeping the colour desaturated a little, I mixed in some troll snot green to get all of the mid-tone down. Covering the majority again, I just leave that olive green in the shadows and the recesses. The final step on the bottoms is bringing up the tops of the folds and the areas facing upwards, but just a little bit more troll snot green in that mix. With the bottoms finished off, I moved on to the hair, belt and what looks like leg warmers with a base coat of smoke black. I don't want to push these parts too far, so the first highlight is just a little bit of reddish grey mixed in. It brightens up the upper parts without a massive jump to pull the attention that way. A final highlight is just on the edges with a bit more reddish grey mixed in. I keep this highlight on just the parts that will be in the light. Now for a long part. Not because it's difficult, just because British Khaki doesn't cover black that well. I gave the base and the hat a few layers until I got a nice smooth finish. For the highlights, I didn't add anything to the base at this point, as there's no real point in building up a smooth gradient on basing. It's just going to be covered in tufts anyway. But for the hat, I started to bring out all of the parts facing upwards with some golden brown mixed into that British khaki. This covers quite a large area towards the top of the hat. The bottom half is almost entirely untouched and it's all in shadow. Because the hat takes up so much of the mini from behind, I want to push these highlights a little bit further with some more golden brown mixed in, going over all of the faces closer to the top of the mini. The hat is then finished off with an edge highlight of pure golden brown. With this out, I do give the base a little bit of a dry brush, just so there is some variation in case the tufts fall off later on. The last non-metallic parts are now base coated with some boar hide. This is just the boots and the pistol casing. Even though the boar hide is pretty dark red, it does take a few coats to fully cover that black primer. Brightening up the red, I mixed in some Angelic red and gave all these areas a highlight. I want this to be fairly bright, so I'll already highlight a couple of times to fully cover those areas, especially since I don't do an edge highlight on these parts. All that is left now is the metal arm and the weapons. These start off with Obsidian black base from the Vallejo's true metallic metal line. While not actually being a black metallic paint, it's more of a dark silver, but I don't have the shade that pairs with this and that will probably dull it down a lot more. So once I get the full shade, I'm going to try that out again afterwards. Part of not having that full set though means I also don't have the light version, so I added a little bit of Mythril to these parts and just went around them again on the parts facing upwards. Finishing off the metal and the black parts, I give them a wash of dark tone, darkening down those recesses and just blending those highlights together. And that bit for Jian Shi Luke. He came out pretty good and it's nice to paint up different skin tones again. I need to get back into the habit of painting up lots of different ones. I always seem to gravitate towards the same one, normally because that's just my skin tone. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord, use the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on, or just hang out and chat. For those of you who want to pick up some painting supplies or some new minis, there are a couple of affiliate links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to drop the like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.